Hi, good day from Kilston White Ants. Today we are going to look at a termite attack on a high-end landed property in Equine Park, Sri Kembangan. The damage specifically done by termites we are going to showcase to you would be for built-in cabinets in this property. The cabinets can be wardrobe, kitchen cabinets and other types are also equally prone to termite attack. As we move closer, we can see over here the extent of the termite damage that has taken place on this cabinet. This cabinet is worth 9,000 ringgit. Okay, now let's move inside the kitchen to view the damages on the cabinets done by the termites. Over here, we can see there's a difference between termite damages and water damage. An important tip for homeowners during the cabinet installation is that termites usually attack from the back of the cabinet. This in most cases is a dead spot or a blind spot. Most times installers fix cabinets dead to the wall, and this makes it a very hard spot for any form of spot check or even inspection behind the cabinet. Most times when damages occur, it's too late and expensive to fix. Here, we are going to give you a tip to mitigate and counter this situation. This replacement cabinet is now fitted with a slider at the back to check for termite activity at the back of the wall. This slider can also serve as an important function for termite inspectors to check and to spray chemical when there's a situation. We hope this tip serves you well. Thank you for watching.